According to the Citizen News, a source close to Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper Itumeleng Khune has revealed that the shot stopper is ready to take another role at the club should there not be a contract extension for him. The Chiefs keeper is in the last few months of his contract with the club, and the word is the team is not planning on renewing his stay. Khune is Amakosi's longest-serving member of the current squad. The former Bafana goalkeeper was suspended by Chiefs late last year after he allegedly reported to training under the influence of alcohol. Khune is said to not be considering joining another club, and he just wants to continue to be part of Amakosi family. But things might change, and said, with the way things are looking at the moment, it doesn't seem like he will be given a new contract. That is why he is thinking about taking a new role at the club, like to get into coaching in the development teams. That guy has been at the club for a very long time and his blood is gold and black. That's why it will be difficult for him to play for another team. He has previously stated that he wants to play for many years and probably go until in his 40s, but it doesn't seem like it will happen, especially at Chiefs. I feel bad for him because deep inside he wants that new contract, but he seems like he has accepted the situation and wants to focus on the way forward for his and his future. Another thing is that some clubs are trying to sign him and they are closely monitoring his situation at the club. The Kaizer Chiefs caretaker coach Kevin Johnson has also said nothing has changed when it comes to Itumeleng Khune, and he remains suspended until the club make an announcement. Johnson said in the post-match at the Gwala Stadium that he's still in the same situation that you guys find in the media, and the club will do something once that is done. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.